Hello my friends and welcome. My name is Dennis and as you probably know I'm the Boeing 737 captain, but today I'm here in the cockpit of LED 410 Checkmate airplane, which I think it's one of the best airplanes out there for the skydiving, and we use it for skydiving near to the Dnieper city of Ukraine. So my sky drop zone, Aviation. Why am I here? Well, it's getting rainy. Maybe it's a little bit loud for you, right? Yeah, it's very rainy.
Pam pam.
Alright guys, let's just continue because it will be rainy for a very long time here. Today I'm just gonna tell you the story of mine. So it was the aviation crisis and I decided to have my extra job, so I had some options to become maybe the taxi driver or someone else, but I sent all my resumes and CVs to all around the air clubs in Ukraine, and this club actually answered me. So they needed the flight instructors, they needed someone to fly the small airplane for some reason, for the reason of the training, for the reason of the joy purpose, just to take a ride of other persons. I hope you understand, my English is not very nice, my friends, but anyway, I applied here, then I hadn't had flights at all, and they say okay, we may hire you, and I have now two jobs because the commercial aviation is getting restored little by little, so I have quite a lot of flight hours these days. I have like 35. It's huge number compared to the previous period of last summer, then I hadn't had any flights. And also I have the flights here, so then I have my day offs, then I have the free time. I usually take my car, I drive for like 500 kilometers away from my home city here to Dnieper, to Maiske, and here I fly the small airplane, not for my joy purpose, but also I like it. So I usually take the ride, take the aircraft and ride with other persons who pay for the flight. But I just hope to have the instructor rating very soon. I'm working on it. The airline here in the air club, they also work on it. So hopefully this year I'll be the instructor on a private pilot license here in Maiske Air Club. Here we have the certified flight school, but on the weekends I'm here, I have the joy flights. So if you have the opportunity, you may just go to Dnieper, or if you are in Dnieper, Zaporizhia, it's very close to here to the Maiske, you can visit us here and you can fly with me. Why not? Yes, sometimes the weather could be bad, or I can fly the Boeing 737 on my main airline, the Ukraine International Airlines. But anyway, I hope that I have lots of free time coming here to Maiske and fly the Tecnam 2002 JF. We have two airplanes here now, so it's very easy. One airplane is usually reserved for the training flights and the other plane reserved for the joy flights.
Pam pam.
Yes, I can see that the weather is getting better. It's not noisy anymore, because of these droplets, the rain droplets. So we may talk, my friends, we may talk about the YouTube. Sorry, my friends, that I'm here. I don't have time for YouTube. I fly here, I need to prepare for the flights. I need to take quite a long drive here to Dnieper. Sorry about it, but still, my aim is to upload at least one video per week. If you are subscribed to me, if you are my subscriber, thank you very much. It's not only my channel, it is your channel as well. If you have any ideas of the videos which I should film, you may write in the comment section just below. We had also the cooperation with Just Planes just recently. I hope they will edit the video next week, and you will see the video of me flying the Boeing 737 there. It's getting loud again. Anyway, let's continue. I hope the sound will be okay, or I'll have to re-record this video. So what else I have? I have Discord service. Discord, it's mainly for gaming, but we also may have the communication there. So I use Discord, then I have the free time, then I have nothing to do, or I want to switch to some other activities, I may switch to Flight Simulator. If I fly simulator, I usually use my Discord service, just not to fly alone, I want to fly with somebody. So there I'll switch on the audio channel, and there you can communicate with me. So you can participate the flight, so it's like a live stream, but there you can write your comments, and also you can communicate with me like via Skype or something. Very nice, and you can join me, then I'm in Discord. Also I have the TikTok. Yes, don't make fun of me. I'm not singing there, I'm not dancing. So I film quite interesting things actually from my life, from this air club, from my airline. It's kind of content, beautiful content, and also I have many views there. I would say that I have 100,000 subscribers there already, followers. I have 100,000 followers per 10 days. So 10 days ago I started uploading the videos, the short videos on TikTok, and I have now like 7,500,000 views for the most watched video there on TikTok. So one video got 7,500,000 views per 10 days. It's impossible, absolutely impossible for YouTube. So TikTok, I don't really know why I need it, but the algorithms of TikTok, they are fantastic, my friends. And I don't know if those guys will follow me on YouTube, because on YouTube there you can have some monetization. So the stupid ads that you watched under this video, like Google ads, sorry about it, but that helps me actually to buy some equipment and so on. So I use this money also for living, I pay for my bills. So by watching my videos, by liking, by writing your comments, you actually help me to survive during this hard crisis time for aviation. So thank you, my friends. Thank you a lot for supporting me. Also, thank you for buying me the camera, the 360 camera. However, something terrible happened to that camera. I put it on my Technam here, and it was kind of hot inside the cockpit, and it was under direct sun rays, and probably because of that something happened with the gyroscopes. So then I look after what I filmed, the image was like rotating wildly, and then I switch this camera on, it shows that it rotates, so something happened to gyros, and I think it's the camera fault or something, so I need to take it to the shop, or maybe to change it completely. So this kind of very expensive camera, almost $600 here in Ukraine. I know in the United States it could be cheaper, in China it may be even more cheaper, but here it's very expensive. And I already bought lots of accessories for the camera, so if they won't take my camera, they won't change it for the other one, or maybe they can replace the gyros or something, they may fix it. If they will not do it, I'll buy the camera again and I'll use my own money. Thank you for your donations, my friends, but you see, nothing is perfect in this world, especially China-made camera Insta360, but so far I like the video quality. It's 5.7K 360 video, so I can take the footage from one side, I can download 5.7K 360 video. The image is fantastic, the software is nice, but something happened to gyros. So I'll take the same camera, probably. Not probably, but for sure, because I have lots of accessories. What do I also have? I have my Instagram page. It's kind of not very popular. I have 1,900 subscribers there, or followers. I'll put the link somewhere here. It's Dennis/pilot. There I post the pictures mostly. So TikTok is for the short videos, Instagram for pictures and vlogs, short vlogs about my life, etc. YouTube, it's my main platform where I can download this kind of videos. This video is not very informative, but here I may speak with you, right? So I like this kind of format. It's the podcast, but without that, only with no sound, but you can hear me. Not only the sound, but you can hear me, you can watch me talking to you. I hope you understand. Yeah, my English is not very good. Someone says that, oh Dennis, you have a nice English. No, I don't have nice English. My English is kind of bad. I don't like it. I have a bad grammar. I have the lacking vocabulary. So no, I don't really like my language. Why do I use it? Because in that way I can improve. Okay, I can have the practice with you. One more thing I have is Twitter, but I don't use it. I just register it there to keep the name Pilot Blog. I didn't post. I post like welcome post. That's it. So I don't really like the Twitter. Also, I like the Telegram. I have the Telegram page. It's called the Pilot Blog. So all the links will be in the video description for all my social media. In Telegram, I like it. I don't have lots of followers there. It's 150, but they're my close friends, I would say, and I can message them directly. It's very interesting. So then you have the conversation with your users, with your friends directly. Not users, maybe viewers, right? Directly through the Telegram. It's nice. We have a nice group there. If I have some interesting content like that YouTube will not allow me to post there, I can post it to Telegram without any restrictions. So you can post there whatever you want, you know. Very easy thing, the Telegram. It's not censored at all, so you may find kind of interesting post from my side as well. What else I have? I have the Patreon page. So if you're willing to support me even more, you can support me through the Patreon, but you will not only have the support of my support there. If you are my patron, we can meet through the Skype, we can chat, I can solve your problem, we can fly on a flight simulator together, just you and me. It depends on your level of support. So I have some of the levels there, as usual, as you might have watched the Mentor Pilot or maybe Captain Joe. I don't have many followers there, but those who follow me, thank you my friends for supporting me on Patreon. With your support actually helps me with the camera. Your support helps me. I'm thinking of buying the ticket for Antonov 24 to fly the passenger there. Maybe I'll have the access to the cockpit to film the landing, takeoff, and many more things. Also, I want to film here. And yes, of course, if they will not fix my camera, I will use the money from the Patreon website to pay for the camera, as well as at least some of the percentage. What are my future plans, my friends? Well, we'll continue film vlogs. I have the plan to film about the Airbus 380. I promised it to you, but I had to come here. The other plan, 360 videos on Boeing 737, 360 videos on this plane, maybe not me, but other pilots, but you'll have the 360 videos. We have Antonov 2 there. We can also film the 360 from Antonov. Just here, the camera will be here and you'll be switching around. It's fantastic, actually. I'm planning maybe to jump, to skydive from this plane, probably, or from Antonov, and film it. Why not? I'm also planning, as I said to you, to fly as a passenger with some very old historical aircraft, and we're gonna film with Tecnam as well. Actually, I filmed the Tecnam with 360 cam, but something happened with this video with gyroscopes, and what I have now is just a video rubbish. So I'll try maybe to fix the files, but with gyro just went crazy. It was spinning right here, and then you open the file, the video is like spinning. It's crazy, absolutely terrible stuff happened. I was really disappointed and sad because of that camera, because it's kind of expensive. So for you guys who helped me with the camera, who are helping me on Patreon, thank you very much for your support, because now with the YouTube I can only pay for my bills, let's say. So the salary is still kind of low, even though I have 2 jobs, but here's just the aircraft. Okay, they pay me for the salary, but the salary is quite low, so I spend it for trips, I spend it for food. That's it. I'm here just for the joy I have from the general aviation, let's say. And I switched here, so I spent some free time here. for you as well, my friends, because here we have some of the different types of the airplanes, and here I can make the good content for you. Yes, I have a time, I have planes, so we may fly, I can put the cameras everywhere, so something like just planes content or something, we'll make it, my friends, in the future, of course. Just need to buy the 360 camera again.
Pam pam.
And also we'll do the collaboration with Mentor Pilot. Yes, of course, you know the Mentor Pilot, he has many subscribers. I think he has one of the best aviation channels on YouTube, and he promised to me on this Thursday to make collaboration with me on my live stream. So if you're watching this video on Wednesday, just want to let you know that on Thursday, tomorrow, we'll have the live stream together with Mentor. Hopefully, if he's not busy. I'm counting on you, Mentor. Thank you very much for your support, because yes, if you compare my channel with his channel is very big, and he's not working alone, and it's good. From one side it's good. I just want to ask him if it's good for him to work with somebody else, because I really like the quality of his content with his new investigation series. It's even better than National Geographic, I would say. So I like it a lot, but if you're working alone on YouTube, it's impossible for you to achieve this level. So you need to have someone who will do the CGI for you, the editing for you, and you'll just write the scripts and you'll just speak to the public as the main purpose on the video. But if you want me to film something interesting for you in particular, you have some ideas, please write them in the comment section just below. I will read out your comments. Of course, I read all of the comments, and they are very interesting for me. I'm one of those YouTubers who is interested in the comments, let's say. I like to interact with you in the comment section. I like to interact to you in every kind of medium. On TikTok it's difficult because I have many views there, so many comments. It's hard, but on YouTube we can interact in the comment section, and that actually helps my channel to grow up a little bit. The more comments I have, the more likes I have, or maybe even dislikes, the better it is for YouTube algorithms to promote my videos, to put them into recommendations, let's say. It's getting rainy again. Wow, very noisy, I would say, inside this cockpit. I hope the audio is okay. My friends, thank you very much for watching this video. It's kind of strange format as for me, but anyway, I just want to interact with you with this video. So I told you the news and many other stuff that I usually don't talk about. So just follow the awesome gadget, please subscribe to, no, first like this video, then subscribe to my channel, ring the bell, whatever it means. Thank you very much for watching this video, and have a great time.
Pam pam.